Greetings, seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here's what's happening from February 9th to February 15th. On Monday, February 10th, from 3:30 to 4:35, there will be Black History Month performance rehearsals for those involved. This includes our high school dance residency program. This will also carry out into Tuesday the 11th. There will also be student government meetings in the clubroom from 3:35 to 4:35. All are welcome to attend. On Tuesday, February 11th, there will be a trip to St. John's for specific high school students. From 3:35 to 4:35, there will be rehearsals for our upcoming high school play, Into the Woods. This will carry out into Wednesday and Thursday. Fem Club will have a meeting in the clubroom from 3:35 to 4:35. Neurology Club will have a meeting in the dining room from 3:35 to 4:35 as well. From 6:30 to 7:30, there will be a Parent Association general meeting. On Wednesday, February 12th, Grade 11 will have an evening trip to see Six on Broadway. At 3:35 to 4:35 in the dining room, there will be an interest meeting for the Muslim Student Association. All are welcome to attend. Thursday, February 13th, there will be a band and chorus trip to the Louis Armstrong Museum. From 3:35 to 4:35, there will be a student government meeting in the clubroom. Once again, anyone is allowed to attend. The sophomore and junior college and career readiness night event will be held from 6 o'clock to 8 p.m. From 5 to 6, there will be an in-person OPW DD parent workshop. Friday, February 14th is Valentine's Day, so flowers will be distributed around school for those who bought for someone special. At 6:45 a.m., there will be a high school Key Club meeting for those involved. At 1:10, there will be Into the Woods rehearsals. Finally, at 1:15 p.m., there will be a high school dance residency in the theater. And that's it for the event preview this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you next time.
Should I switch seats? My camera still says